Hey there, and welcome to Stomach Fit. In today's video, we will be talking about 5 of the best foods that helps to lower high blood pressure. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a medical condition characterized by elevated or consistently high blood pressure levels in the arteries. Blood pressure is a measure of the force of blood pushing against the walls of the arteries as the heart pumps it throughout the body. Normal blood pressure is typically around 120 to 80 millimeters of mercury. Are you suffering from one or more of these symptoms? Headaches, shortness of breath, chest pain, fatigue, vision changes, dizziness, or lightheadedness? It could be that you are hypertensive. Hypertension is usually diagnosed when blood pressure consistently measures 130 to 80 millimeters of mercury or higher. Because hypertension is usually asymptomatic, regular blood pressure monitoring is crucial, especially if you have risk factors such as a family history of high blood pressure, a sedentary lifestyle, a poor diet, or other chronic health conditions like diabetes. Luckily, you can find nutrient-rich foods that can help maintain blood pressure and even lower high blood pressure. Let's now dive into the heart of today's video, top 5 foods that helps to lower high blood pressure. The first food on our list of best foods that helps to lower blood pressure is pomegranate. Pomegranates are nutritious fruits that have been enjoyed for thousands of years for their taste and potential health benefits. An older study from 2012 provides evidence that drinking 1 cup of pomegranate juice daily for 28 days may lower high blood pressure in the short term. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants, particularly polyphenols like anthocyanins and tannins. These antioxidants help protect the inner lining of blood vessels from damage caused by free radicals. When blood vessel walls are damaged, it can lead to inflammation and increased blood pressure. The antioxidants in pomegranates help combat this oxidative stress. Pomegranates have been shown to increase the production of nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide is a molecule that helps relax and dilate blood vessels. When blood vessels are more relaxed, they allow for better blood flow, which can help lower blood pressure. So, whether or not you are struggling with any of the symptoms of hypertension, it could be beneficial to your health to include pomegranate in your diet. The second food on our list of best foods that helps to lower blood pressure are leafy greens. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard, are excellent choices for promoting lower blood pressure due to several key nutrients and components. Leafy greens are rich in potassium, which is a vital mineral for regulating blood pressure. Potassium helps counteract the effects of sodium in the body, reducing water retention and relaxing blood vessel walls, which can lower blood pressure. Leafy greens are a good source of dietary fiber, which can contribute to lower blood pressure by promoting better heart health. Fiber helps reduce the risk of developing high blood pressure by improving cholesterol levels and supporting overall cardiovascular function. Some leafy greens, particularly spinach, are high in nitrates. When you consume these nitrates, they can be converted into nitric oxide in your body. Nitric oxide helps dilate blood vessels, allowing for improved blood flow and potentially lowering blood pressure. Most leafy greens are naturally low in sodium, which is beneficial for individuals trying to manage or reduce their blood pressure. A diet low in sodium is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Leafy greens are low in calories but high in nutrients, making them an excellent choice for weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for blood pressure control, as excess weight can contribute to hypertension. The third food that helps to lower blood pressure is avocado. Avocado is a rich source of potassium, with a higher potassium content per serving than many other fruits and vegetables. Potassium is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. It helps balance the effects of sodium in the body by promoting the excretion of excess sodium through urine. This, in turn, can help relax blood vessel walls and reduce blood pressure. Avocado is known for its high content of monounsaturated fats, primarily oleic acid. These heart-healthy fats have been associated with improved cardiovascular health. Consuming healthy fats can potentially contribute to lower blood pressure and reduced inflammation in blood vessels. Avocado is a good source of dietary fiber, which can support heart health and potentially lower blood pressure. Fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels and improve cholesterol profiles, reducing the risk of hypertension. Avocado contains antioxidants like vitamin E and vitamin C, which can help protect blood vessel walls from oxidative damage. This protection can contribute to better blood pressure regulation. You can incorporate avocados into your diet to help manage blood pressure in many ways. Use it in an avocado salad, guacamole, smoothies, or in your sandwiches and wraps. The fourth food that helps to lower blood pressure are berries. Strawberries red and blueberries deep, whatever you've got on your plate, you can bet that it's a treat so great. And it's nothing about the taste, but more about the health benefits. Okay, enough of the berry poems and back to its benefits for blood pressure health. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins and flavonoids. These compounds combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which can contribute to high blood pressure. Berries are naturally low in sodium and high in potassium. A diet rich in potassium can help balance sodium levels in the body and promote healthy blood pressure levels by reducing sodium's hypertensive effects. Some berries, like strawberries, have been shown to increase nitric oxide production in the body. Nitric oxide helps relax and dilate blood vessels, promoting better blood flow and reducing blood pressure. Regular consumption of berries may help decrease arterial stiffness, a factor often associated with high blood pressure. Flexible arteries can better accommodate blood flow, keeping pressure within a healthy range. The antioxidants in berries can improve endothelial function, which is crucial for regulating blood vessel tone. Healthy endothelial function can lead to reduced blood pressure. So, whether you choose to eat them fresh, whip them in a juice or smoothie, one thing you can be sure of is that berries are good for lowering high blood pressure. The fifth food that helps to lower high blood pressure are kiwis. This small fruit from New Zealand offers a myriad of health benefits, embodying nature's delicious and nutritious creation. Aside from the fact that kiwis are a sweet delight to the taste buds, including them in your diet can also help with maintaining normal blood pressure levels. According to a 2015 study, a daily serving of kiwi can help manage mildly high blood pressure. People who ate 3 kiwis per day for 8 weeks saw a more significant reduction in systolic and diastolic blood pressure than those who ate 1 apple per day for the same period. Kiwis are also rich in vitamin C. In an older study, people who consumed around 500 mouthwatering of vitamin C per day for about 8 weeks saw significant improvements in their blood pressure readings. Kiwis contain compounds that may promote vasodilation, the relaxation and widening of blood vessels. This effect can help improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. Kiwis also enhance nitric oxide production, potentially reducing blood pressure. Their sweet tart flavor and unique texture make them a delightful addition to salads, smoothies, or enjoyed on their own. When it comes to maintaining optimal blood pressure levels in the body, including pomegranates, leafy greens, avocado, berries, kiwis, and foods rich in fiber and antioxidants can help promote optimal blood circulation. If you do happen to be hypertensive, fear not. There are millions of people out there living their best lives while recovering from hypertension. Here at Stomach Fit, in addition to following a healthy diet, we also advise that you replace stress with laughter. Watching a funny movie or sharing jokes with friends can help keep your blood pressure from skyrocketing. Remember, a good laugh a day keeps the doctor away. Instead of stressing over your blood pressure, put on your dancing shoes. Grooving to your favorite tunes not only lifts your spirits but also gets your heart pumping in a fun way. Just be sure not to dance too close to the snack table. And while you are at it, do make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out of our latest video.